Top 5 apps like DollarFlightClubcom review that actually work today. If you love scoring cheap flights, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that give you real flight deals without needing a membership. Most people get this wrong, thinking DollarFlightClubcom is the only option. First, Hopper. This app predicts flight prices and tells you the best time to buy. Users report saving up to 40% by following its recommendations, and the push notifications make sure you never miss a deal. Second is Skyscanner. Known for global flight searches, Skyscanner compares thousands of airlines at once. You can set alerts for specific routes and dates, making it easy to book the cheapest flights. Number 3 is Kayak. The app tracks prices, offers flexible search options, and even predicts whether flight prices will rise or fall. Kayak's price trend graphs help you make smarter booking decisions. Fourth, Sheepor. This app focuses on discounted tickets and last-minute deals. It often features promo codes for extra savings, which can reduce your fare by up to 25% on certain routes. Finally, KiwiCam. Unique for multi-city itineraries, Kiwi finds creative flight combinations that other apps often miss. Many users find routes at half the usual cost. In conclusion, while DollarFlightClubcom is helpful, these apps offer additional tools, price predictions, and flexible search options to maximize your travel budget. With these 5 apps, you can find cheaper flights faster and smarter than ever before.